Good morning, traders, and God bless. Hope you had a nice weekend. Each morning, we'll be listening for stocks to be called out in this scan. Also, we'll be watching for these two scans for this breakout up to appear. Once we see a scan we're interested in, I'll click on it and we come over to this label. We want to make sure there's enough volume to get in and get out safely. It's not a certain number, but I want this number moving as fast as possible. I want to see a real battle going on between the buyers and the sellers. Anything that's slow or pausing, I'm not interested in. We also want to see this money flow indicator, this green line above the yellow line. This means money is flowing into the market. When it turns red and below that yellow line, the money is flowing out. At the same time, we want to see these buyer bars. These green bars represent buyers. We want to see them above average volume for a continuing push of the price. Also, if you are a new investor coming here and you found these streams, make sure that you watch for quite some time. It looks easy on the chart when we do it, but when you come down to putting your real money into it, it's a little bit more difficult than you think. So maybe try it on paper. If you're new here, write down your entry, your exit, and your results. If you continue to be profitable on paper, then change over to real money, but trade small share size, anywhere between 1 and 10 shares. If you continue to be profitable with real money, then the only thing you need to do to increase your profit is to increase your share size. Also, I am not a financial advisor. I am not a licensed professional. Make sure that you reach out to the proper authorities before you take any of my advice or use any of my indicators. Also, make sure in your active trader you have EXT selected for your TIF so that you don't miss a trade. And thank you for joining me this morning. Don't know which way the market's going to go. We have seen a few movers going, so we'll wait and see what happens and take advantage of them as they happen. We've got about 2.5 minutes to go before the top of the hour when the market opens. So enjoy your coffee until then. And good morning, YouTubers. You are on board this morning for that free hour. GWH been moving around a little bit this morning.
ZENA.
I guess we'll see when our market opens if we can get a play in on it. About a minute and a half to go.
GWH.
About 30 seconds to go. Looks like GWH. It might be getting set up to spike, but be careful. They have already got into profit. They may be waiting on our market to open to bail out. So keep that thought in mind. And again, it could just take off and keep going.
GWH.
Here we go. Let's see what happens.
SBIT.
Watching these two indicators here, we need the green above the yellow line, and we need tall buyer bars coming in.
UAMY. UAMY.
Everything needs to be above those two yellow
RVPH.
lines.
MSOS.
Shane, we do have some users still using My Blessing. It's included in this indicator, but if you don't have this indicator, then continue to use it. It hasn't died. It will always work.
SBIT.
I'll go ahead and throw a line on STI here. It needs to
SBIT.
break this level. Looks like it wants to, but doesn't have enough buyers on board yet. Need this bar above the yellow line and growing tall. Pushing up slowly.
SBIT.
Nice spike up there for 35 cents. Remember, it's going to be probably a tough day with everything going on in the government. So take profits as you see them. Settle for just a little. You don't have to hit the tops. Take advantage of anything. Bank it when you can. Nice push upwards.
EWY. EEM.
Few profit takers going on. You can see them right here in money flow. Few sellers in this bar. We're going to be really selective this morning in these stock picks. Let's make sure we make a little bit of money in case the market goes south. Good job, traders who put a little bit of money in the bank. Looks like quite a few of you, 5 or 6, maybe 7 or 8. Good job, Autumn Rain, Les P, Majika, Barry C,
SBIT.
Of course, Gary and everybody else.
CHNR.
Troy on YouTube.
EOSE. CHNR.
CHNR breaking out. It's already at a resistance level. Let's see if it can continue to push through it. Lots of profit taking right there, but that doesn't mean it's not going to go up and break through that line. Let's see if it
SBIT.
does. We need to break $8. Money flow is heavy profit taking. Definitely got red down below it, so be cautious here. We're going to have to be very selective in our picks this morning. We want to take it, not give it.
SBIT.
I'm waiting to see if we get a reversal here. It did not drop all the way back down to the bottom, but it sure looks like it's headed that way. Going to put a line here on STI. We need to break 1040.
WRD.
No volume on WRD. STI trying to break that 1040. This would be about the third or fourth attempt. It'll probably go through this time. Let's see if they can get it to push. Looking for a tall green bar to come up again. We need another one for the push. Let's bring it on up to that 1130. Get on up there. I'm going to sell right here since it's struggling. 55 cents a share, $550 for me. Pushing right on through. Having trouble at 1130. All right, Money in the Bank. For me, even. I did not play the first one. Good job, traders. Looks like everybody probably pretty much matched me. Well, a couple of you did. Good job, YouTubers. Looks like we're going to attempt that 11:30 again. And we did break through it. Let's see if it'll continue. Watch those lower indicators closely. We do not have green bars breaking the yellow average volume line, so it may not go.
PALI.
Pally's still moving around. Been moving around for a couple of weeks, but really not getting anywhere. It's a cheaper stock. Testing that 11:30 again, but there are a bunch of sellers up there. Not a whole bunch. The buyers are capable of buying them up and pushing right on through it. Here we go. I think they're going to give it a try here. We got a green dominator bar busting that yellow line. Let's see if we can get the push. Still struggling up here, but it may go.
STI.
We'll need another tall green bar down here. The buyers are trying to buy it up. I think they're going to succeed. Let's see if we get the breakout. It's a tough one.
STI.
There we go, 12:30. I'm going to take it right here. I'm not going to try to ride it up. Another 30 cents a share for another $300.
STI.
Nice breakout there, 1264, 1271. Way to watch them, traders. Take what you can get. Don't try to ride the tops on a day like today. It is a holiday. Banks are closed. Some of you didn't get your settled funds. Good job, Gary.
STI.
1322 on that spike. Good job, traders. Bank that money while we can.
KOLD.
Watching those green bars down below, these indicators are your money. You got another buyer group coming in, 1309. I don't know if I would risk it at the high here. It may pull back. That's normally what stocks do once they hit a high. Usually see some profit taking to drag them down a little bit. Money flow turning red. Buyers are keeping this one up. Nice green bars down below. Money
STI.
flow is almost due north. Still haven't broken past that high, like I said. So take your profit if you can, if you're still holding.
STI.
Aaron, that's why we play buyers and sellers. We don't play news or because that chart was red. Follow the money. Remember that phrase? Follow the money. You find the buyers and sellers, you find the money. Thank you, Lord. That was a good one this morning. Wasn't expecting that one at all, but that was a nice trade. Profit taking going on. It's pretty good when you get two trades on the same stock. And in an excellent price range. I love them up there about $10 and higher. Good job, D-Man. All right, we're going to set another line up there. Probably won't conquer it, but we'll see where it goes. Looks like about 13.15. Good job, Milo. Milo ran it up from 11:30 to 13:35. We're testing that 13.15 now. See some buyers trying to come in. It's going to get harder and harder to get above this yellow line the higher it gets. Money flow's kind of weak.
KOLD.
My pleasure, Milo. Twenty minutes after our market open, I already got 2 trades in. Already got some nice money in the bank.
STI.
And so do each and every one of you who traded it. Good job, YouTube. They are still trying to push this stock higher. We can break through the sellers here. There are very few. Well, there is some up there, but they're small, like 1,000, etc. But when we're buying 1,000, we could wipe that out if they could get enough behind us to push it higher. I'm not seeing it happening though. The
EOSE.
bars are red. Money flow is red, so we're struggling here. And I really don't think I should trade the same stock 3 times. That would be pushing my luck.
IQ.
It does look good. I'll take the blessing, not the luck trade. First 2 were blessings. Third one, I'm gambling on luck. You can see in this area here and up above how the price was rising. These bars breaking that yellow line. When it wasn't breaking that yellow line, we were pulling back. Then they came back in again for this push.
KOLD.
Look like we're headed south now. CHNR, it did break
CHNR.
$8. I kind of feel like I'm late on it and shouldn't click the mouse. Then I'll be sorry in 3 minutes from now that I didn't. Looking down below, look at those bars.
CHNR.
Here's those bars we love. Look at that money flows dead north. Looks pretty solid to me. 861.
CHNR.
Good thing I decided to trade it. I'm selling here for 30 cents a share. 2,000 shares this time for $600. Thank you, Sanchez. You called it out first over on YouTube. And Rehab Trader over in the premium section. And Majika called it out too.
CHNR. SBIT.
Got some weakness in it. We do have red and red. It can turn around though. Let's see if the buyers are willing to buy up what they're selling and push it higher. I'll go ahead and put a line up here. If we can break it, it'll push. Right there at 875 is what we need to clear.
SBIT.
Breaking that 875. Let's see if we can continue the push.
CHNR.
906, 912, 921. Keep going. Money flow is due north. Green bar. Looks like we're getting a little weak up here. I guess they're taking profits soon. Another push. 946, 956, 967.
SBIT.
I'm out right here. I'm going to take that. All right, 75 cents a share, 1,000 shares for 750 more.
SBIT.
Thank you, Lord. YouTubers, I don't know why you don't join us. You see what we do every morning. And we do it live in front of you. Good job, Milo. Over 4,000. I'm at 2,800.
SBIT.
Nice to meet you, Dave. Good job, Gary. Doc Watson, everybody making those thousands this morning. Not everybody, but I'm going to just say everybody because a bunch of you are already up there.
ATON.
YouTubers, if you want to know who I am, there's a link at the top of your chat. Just click on that. It'll take you over to
ATON.
volumespikes.com. You can read all about me and others. I understand, Ken. We're testing the streamer today at around 9:30 this morning. If the chat is fixed, we are going to be 100% over on volumespikes.com. I will make an announcement on that if the test goes successful, because I can't wait to get off of Discord just like the rest of you.
SBIT. ATON. ATON.
Catching on, Autumn Rain? Got to hit it hard when it moves. Long as you catch it at the beginning of that push. ATON. Here we go. While I'm blabbing my mouth, the third one is taking off. Not liking this one so far. It's red and red on the lower indicators. Pushing higher. Here we go. Let's see if it happens. Look at the money
ATON.
flow and the dominator. We are going to the moon. Money flow went red. They're profit taking. They will always profit take when these things spike upwards. I'll go ahead and make the mark up here. We need to break this level at 960 for the continuation. Profit taking going on. This is normal. Watch the lower indicators for the reversal. It's trying to reverse. The buyers are buying up what they're selling. It's not moving. There's a lot of profit taking going on.
NAMM.
So if you didn't catch my
NAMM.
message earlier, we will be testing the streaming server that I purchased. We own our own streaming service. The only issue we had a chat issue. They're telling me it may be fixed. We will be testing it at 9:30 this morning Central Time.
NAMM.
If it's all successful, we will be
CHNR.
100% over on volumespikes.com. I think it's over for ATON. Might get a little bounce after this sell-off, but I don't want little bounces. I want bottle
NAMM.
rockets. NAMM. Ticker chick doing her job this morning. She's calling out some winners. $4 so far.
FCEL.
Lower indicators look good. Checking the volume. It's average. It's not a big battle. You always want to make sure this number is
CHNR.
really moving. We want to see a battle going on between the buyers and the sellers. When this label is red, they are profit taking. You can see that profit taking here. The buyers are trying to buy up what they're selling. Now heavy selling again, heavy profit taking. I'll throw a line up there. We want to break a structure. That would be the break of $4 for the next push. Of course, this was a break of structure itself from here. This broke out. Now we're at the next level. Looks like the volume died.
NAMM.
Buyers coming back in. There's not a whole bunch of volume in this stock. There is a higher risk on this one. It's just average volume. It's no big battle. So use extreme caution on it. If you make some dollars on it, take them. When the volume is
NAMM.
this low and somebody drops a big load to sell, it's going to drop the price as well.
FCEL.
CHNR still moving around. I missed it this time, though. Hopefully, some of you caught it. We had a break of structure. I'll put the line where the break of structure was right there, about 970. I can set another one here. If we break 1080, we may push up a little more. Got to control those emotions, Autumn Rain. Sit back and relax. Only wait on the good ones.
FCEL.
Good job, Rosebud. 1980 on a BE. I don't even know where you found BE. Oh, it's over in Magic Scan. I see it. CHNR pushing higher,
CHNR.
watching those lower indicators. We still don't have a green bar above the yellow average volume line. We're trying to get there, though. I want to see a much bigger battle going on. I want it to break this level. Profit taking. Struggling to get any higher. Looks like everybody giving up. What a nice start to the week. Don't forget to give thanks. We'll take any blessing we can get.
NAMM.
So right here, Money flow told you they were going to sell. We are still in green candles here. So early indication right here. Uh-oh.
NAMM.
What did I click on? Early indication they were going to sell out. Red dominator bars were coming in when it was still green. If you don't pay attention down here, you're going to be deeper in the hole.
NAMM.
You have to really watch these two work together. This is like the ultimate way to trade. It's proven itself over and over and over.
NAMM.
Every one of you have made money with these two indicators. And when you put this smart candles with it, I don't think anything can stop it other than our human mistakes.
NAMM. NAMM.
NAMM. Why didn't it type? About time. Still having issues trying to type a symbol in TOS. I guess I'm going to have to go through it and see what's going on with it. It's been happening for a couple of weeks now. There's the break of structure line, 429, actually 430. Watching those lower indicators. Volume is really low on this one, so be careful. We don't have a big battle going on, but the buyers seem to be building here. Let's see if they can continue. We do have lots of sellers on this one above 430. All of these indicators you see on my screen do not come with Thinkorswim. I am a coder of 17 years. I have coded everything you see up here, including every scan. You're not going to find this stuff anywhere. And I've been trading since 1990 on Thinkorswim. So I pretty much got the platform down. Or I should say up. ELBM. I don't know where y'all are getting that from. 333. I'm not going to chase this $3 stock, but I will chart it for you. Send them a link, Milo. Go down there where it says stage 2, right click on it, copy it, shoot it over to them. I don't have any levels set on this stock because it probably, I was late on it to start with. It's still pushing higher though. I'm watching the volume here. It's picking up. For how long, I don't know. We do have a lot of sellers above this price, so it's going to struggle. We are developing top wicks. These are sellers driving the price back down. Money flow, though, is telling us the story, and so is Dominator Master. These are buyers coming in. These are above average buyers. Money flow is a little weak up here. So this push to the upside is actually a lot of profit taking going on, keeping it from going any higher. And there are a lot of sellers above that level. So they are giving up now. Red bar of sellers. Money flow is negative. Or I should say red. So is the label is red. Welcome, new traders. Welcome home. We had quite a few sign up over the weekend. Waiting on that next one. This scanner up here is a paid service that I'm subscribed to, and I programmed it to function like I wanted it to function. This one comes with it. This one comes with it. There's probably 60 custom scans. There's no lack of scans here. And 30 something custom indicators for the chart. This one is a extra purchase above and beyond the subscription price. But I only have, I believe, 4, maybe 5 custom that are above and beyond the purchase price. But that should be the least of your worries. These things pay for themselves in a heartbeat. Most people cover it in one trading session. If you visit volumespikes.com, you can see the indicators. You just can't download them or install them. You'll see everything that's available there. You can click the label up there at the top of the chat. You can get all the information you need from the website. Milo, you can't judge the market by that picture. You can judge it by this setup, though. I do not announce when I get in and when I get out. It's quite obvious on the charts with these indicators when you should get in and when you should get out. There's no need for me to let you click trade me. I want you to learn this system, not rely on me. I want to teach you to be a professional scalper. If you just want to click trade me, this is probably not the place for you. If you want to come here and learn, this is the place for you. But each morning, I walk you through all of the trades that I pull up here on the screen. It's very obvious when you should get in and get out. And if you trade on another platform, you can just use Thinkorswim for charting, set up all the indicators, and continue to trade on the platform you're used to trading on.
FCEL.
We have many members that do that as well.
FCEL.
FCEL. This one never pays a whole bunch of money. It only moves on occasion.
FCEL. ALLO.
ALLO. Let's see what's happening over there. First thing I check is volume, and there is none. Not one of our trades. Good job, D.
ALLO.
This is not a scalp trade. You can, Canton.
FCEL.
And just to be perfectly clear, if you're considering joining, I do not trade all day long. I start at 6 a.m. Central Time. I'm usually done by 9:30. I take it into the market open.
PLUG.
Then I quit. There's no sense in me trading a low regular session market. I make good money, and so will you if you listen to what I say in pre-market and at the open. And then I go do what I want the rest of the day. I don't sit here all day long.
FCEL. FCEL, BLDP.
BLDP, no volume. BE, nice
FCEL.
steady climb on BE.
SLI.
My pleasure, soul.
MNTS.
See you later, Mark.
FCEL.
All right, YouTubers, I got to cut that free hour off. If you need more information about me and our community, click the label at the top of the chat. I appreciate each and every one of you who
EOSE.
joined this live session this morning. I hope you made a little bit of money and seen the reality of it. I'm doing it right in front of you, nothing to hide here. Very good education if you're interested in becoming a good scalper or maybe even a swing trader. We'd love to have you on board. Come and join us. You've seen the reality of it. Have a very blessed day, and I will see everybody on Wednesday on YouTube for that next free hour. As always, God bless. I am out.
BLDP.